There's a secret door on this cruise ship, and behind it, one of the most insane, exclusive experiences we've ever had at sea. We were invited to go inside, and what we found blew our minds. This is Spellbound on the Sun Princess, and yeah, you're gonna want to see this.
Alright, welcome to Cruise Time with the Jacob family. I am Jason and this is Stephanie. Today, we are heading to Spellbound. Now, this experience is $149. Princess graciously invited us to test it out. When you do book this experience, you will get an invitation. You have to bring that invitation and you're going to go to the Sanctuary dining room because it is a dinner, magic, and bar experience.
Crooners really sets the tone for a night like this. Classic cocktails and that vintage cruise vibe. This was the perfect way to ease into the night. After drinks, we headed to the Sanctuary dining room to start the Spellbound experience. Now, what's cool is, it's not just dinner. This is only the first part of what turns into a full night of mystery, magic, and surprises. Now, this isn't your typical dinner reservation. You don't just walk in. If you book Spellbound, they'll leave a formal invitation in your stateroom, and we found ours earlier today.
What do you got?
2 invitations to Spellbound.
You are cordially invited to an extraordinary experience. Thank you, Princess.
So once we showed up, invitation in hand, we got checked off the list for what would be one of the most unique nights we've had at sea. This isn't just dinner, it's a sensory experience crafted by chefs who call themselves magicians. Spellbound calls this a transcendent culinary journey, and honestly, they're not wrong. First up, a cocktail called Sleight-of-Hand. Olive oil washed vodka, lemon, tomato, basil, salt, and pepper. Yeah, I was a little intimidated, but it was actually super refreshing and a perfect way to open the night. Way better than it sounds. Then came the bamboozled butternut squash and apple soup. It's poured tableside, adding a little theatrical flair over toasted pepitas and micro sage. The flavor? Smooth, rich, and slightly sweet from the apple. Honestly, we both loved it. Before the next course arrived, we were offered our choice of wine, either red or white, both included in the experience. Stephanie went with the red, and I kept it crisp with the white. The pairings were carefully selected to complement the menu, and honestly, they delivered. For the mains, Stephanie opted for the beef tenderloin paired with lobster dumplings, and I chose the spellbinding roasted black cod. Both dishes exceeded our expectations and were the highlights of the meal.
Wow, that fish was delicious, guys. And this wine is really good too. And I'm not a wine drinker, but this is yummy. Really good food. And I was worried about this food. I was worried about that tomato drink, and that was good. And service has been outstanding. Definitely good experience so far. And this was the part that I was worried about the most.
Before dessert, they brought out this incredibly unique banana-based palate cleanser. The rim added this unexpected sweetness, almost like crushed cookie or chocolate, and the drink itself was light and refreshing with a hint of banana.
Our palate cleanser has come. This is a banana drink. This apparently takes like days to make. It smells like banana. The rim is sweet.
It's good.
Yeah,
I like it.
it's like banana water.
Yeah, it's really good.
Dessert was as elegant as the rest of the evening. White and dark chocolate ganache paired with bright notes of yuzu. The richness of the chocolate was beautifully balanced by the citrus, light, smooth, and not overly sweet. And presentation? Easily one of the most beautiful plates of the night. Almost too pretty to eat. Almost.
Try this. Ice cream. Right there. Macaron. Candy. So much work. I feel bad eating. So that's cake and mousse, something like that.
Ganache.
Once you get to the middle of the chocolate dessert, we got this yellow. This is the yuzu, which is a Japanese citrus. Take a piece of this white. How nice. So much work.
As dinner wrapped up, our doorman, dressed in full Victorian attire, quietly approached the table and mentioned for us to follow. We were led back through the sanctuary dining room toward an unmarked black door discreetly tucked off the piazza. Stepping through that black door, it felt like we left the ship completely. The space we entered was small, dimly lit, and warm, like an old study straight out of a Sherlock Holmes novel. A second doorman greeted us, also dressed in full Victorian gear. And as we settled in, a recording began to play. I didn't film the whole thing because some things are just better when you experience them for yourself.
Hello there. Step right in and please make yourself warm by the fire. Within these walls, you will find mind-bending mystery.
When you're ready, let
Yeah.
me know because we have a lot of.
I know, there's so
All
many.
kinds of blue.
I would love to get the Houdini chips.
Houdini. Here we go. Oh my God. Sabi daw.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, if anyone needs props for tonight, Spellbound is always by your side.
Oh, that's
Yes.
You ordered the Blue Buzz Illusion.
Yeah.
So, this is your cocktail, and this is your magic wand.
Okay.
Oh, cute.
So this means that with your magic wand, you're going to stir this cocktail so everything gets incorporated and you enjoy this wonderful texture. But this rock candy, other than being a very, very tasty rock candy, has the ability to play with your palate a little. Let's say sensation is not gonna kick in instantly.
Wait, what?
Give it a few minutes and you will be sure of what's happening.
Oh, Jesus. All right.
So you stir it with that?
You try it? I know.
Very good.
Right.
Very good.
Yeah.
I'm scared of what's going to happen.
What's it?
Blue Buzz Illusion. It's like a pina colada taste.
Wow. Thank you. Bravo. Amazing. Thank you.
We were led into an intimate theater for a wonderful private up-close magic show. It was so personal, most of the audience even got to participate. It's unlike any show we've ever experienced at sea. Small room, huge impact, and the magic was next level. After the show wrapped up, we were invited to hang out in the Spellbound Lounge until midnight. It was the perfect way to wind down the night, cocktails flowing, and everyone buzzing about what they just saw.
Her name's Isabella. Tell her to play something.
I have to say her name.
Yeah, like Alexa.
Okay, hold on. Thinking.
Huh?
I'm thinking. Isabella, play Silver Springs.
Alrighty, I got a Conjurer. This is a whiskey-based drink with charcoal. It does have the good cherries though, and 3 of them.
And a little rose.
Little flower.
What's the foam?
I think it's just from being shaken. That's excellent. That's super good. If you like whiskey, like you would hate it.
What's the other
And the charcoal, which makes it even more bitter. I think this was made for me.
Oh my God, it's right.
If you have a bitter palate and you like whiskey, you'll like this. Everybody else will not like this. Don't get it. It's the best drink I've had here. You want to try it? Let's watch Stephanie try it. I just want to see your face while you try
I'm
it.
gonna turn my teeth black.
I hope not.
Oh, God. Oh, that's gross.
All right.
Oh,
So if you don't like bitter drinks, your face will look like that when you
yeah.
So there's a bird up here in the cage. That's cool. It's like a hologram almost. It's pretty neat. Loving all the artwork in here. It's super nice. We moved in here now. We're sitting by Isabella. I don't want to say it too loud because I don't want to try to interrupt the song. A little brighter in here too. A little quieter. All right, so that is.
Going to conclude our video for today.
But that's the
Spellbound.
experience here at Spellbound. So $149. And like I said, Princess invited us to try this. I would spend the $149.
I would too.
Oh,
It was a
for
cool
sure.
experience.
Yeah. It's been the best experience I've had on this ship. The drinks were good, the presentation's good, the atmosphere is awesome, and the dinner was good. And that, like I said 100 times already, that's surprising. If you enjoy the content, best way to help the channel, a little like and a comment. If you've done it yourself, your thoughts would be appreciated. Having said that, we're going to call that a wrap, right?
Yep, that's a wrap.
If you feel like watching more of us, check out that video, the one over there. Check it out, and we'll see you next time, cruisers.
Push my candy down. No, push my candy.
Push my candy. That sounds dirty.
In front of everyone?
Mama, take a video, Mama.